So this is February 21st, 2025, and this is gonna be day 228 of consistently helping people build consistency. Hey, sorry though, I still kind of have my sore throat, so this is just gonna be a short video. It's kind of painful to speak actually. So, how do you actually be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, practicing your art, studying, literally anything? So the thing here is simple. We need to ask ourselves what are the problems, right? What are the obstacles for us not being able to be consistent at doing that thing? I don't know about your problem, right? But for most people, one of the biggest problem here is that they don't have a clear plan about the thing that they're going to be doing. Let me give you an example. If a person wants to be consistent at exercising, the thing that they only say is that they only say that, oh yeah, I'm gonna be exercising consistently, and they have no plan whatsoever. I mean, like, it's gonna be problematic. Why? I mean, like, what type of exercise are you going to be doing? How many minutes you are gonna be giving up your time on a day-to-day basis doing that exercise? Why it's problematic? Because how can you even be consistent at doing something if you don't even know what is the thing that you're going to be doing on the first place? If you don't have any clear plan about how it's going to go, it's going to go something like this. I don't know, big chances, right? Big chances it's going to go like, oh yeah, day one, maybe you did some decent 100 push-ups. The next day, you did 50 push-ups, which is still good. But then the next day, you say to yourself that, oh, you know what? I'm kind of busy today. Let me just do like 10 seconds of stretching. I mean, which is pretty effortless, okay? I'm going to be doing 10 seconds of stretching and consider it to be exercising. Yeah, I've done my exercise, only 10 seconds of stretching. And if we don't have a clear daily bare minimum, right, of what is considered as enough exercising, we are going to be questioning our own dedication, doubting our own dedication. Am I really serious about this thing? Or this exercising thing is going to be, one of those habits that I've tried to build, but drop on day 4, on day 7. So the thing that we wanted to be doing here is to create a clear daily bare minimum of what is considered as exercising, or considered as studying, or considered to be anything. How to actually do that? Two things. Firstly, we make it clear, and secondly, we make it firstly, we make it specific, and secondly, we make it measurable. Okay, so for example, not at least we say that, oh yeah, I'm gonna be exercising every single day. We say that, oh yeah, I'm gonna be doing some running maybe every weekdays, and then I'm gonna be taking off some days off, rest days on weekends. And also, not only that we make it specific, we also make it measurable. Like, oh yeah, I'm gonna be doing 5 minutes of running at least every single day on weekdays, sorry, on weekdays, and rest days on weekends. And maybe if I'm sick, I'm gonna take some days off. So when we just frame things extremely clear like this, like we kind of feel some sense of consistency. Oh yeah, 5 minutes of running, 5 minutes of running, 5 minutes of running. I set this target of doing some 5 minutes of running. I actually did the 5 minutes of running. Oh, I've done the thing that I said that I'm gonna be doing. Okay, so it's kind of built some sense of confidence within ourselves. And when we have some sense of confidence, the probability of us actually still doing that thing on the next day is gonna be higher. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. For today's date authenticity post, Memezar posted a lock-in meme last 24 hours.